The universe is filled with data. We see it in the stars, we see it in the galaxies, we see it here on Earth in the digital age. Data is everywhere. Data holds secrets, data tells stories, and data science is the key to unlocking those secrets and understanding those stories. Data scientists are the modern-day explorers. They navigate the vast oceans of information. They find patterns, they make predictions, and they help us make sense of our complex world. This journey starts with a single step, a single language. That language is Python. Python is powerful, Python is versatile, Python is the spaceship that will take you to the stars of data science. In just 14 days, you can build a foundation, you can learn the basics, you can start your own journey into this incredible field. Are you ready? Let's begin. Every journey begins with a single step. In data science, that step is Python. Python is the language we use to talk to data. It's how we unlock its secrets. Days 1 through 3 will be about building your foundation. You'll learn about data types, the building blocks of information. You'll understand variables, the containers that hold our data. You'll explore control structures, the rules that guide our programs, and you'll master functions, the tools that let us reuse code and build complex systems. But learning is not just about reading, it's about doing. Write code every day, experiment, make mistakes. That's how you learn, that's how you grow. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a data scientist. Be patient, be persistent, and most importantly, be curious. Your journey is just beginning. Now that you understand the basics of Python, it's time to dive into the data itself. On days 4 through 6, you'll meet NumPy and Pandas, your trusty companions on this journey. NumPy allows you to work with arrays, powerful structures for holding and manipulating data. Pandas provides you with data frames, elegant tools for organizing and analyzing information. You'll learn to clean data, removing errors and inconsistencies. You'll filter and sort data, finding the needles in the haystack. You'll aggregate data, summarizing information and uncovering hidden trends. But data is more than just numbers on a screen. Data has shape, data has structure, and to truly understand it, we need to see it. That's where data visualization comes in. On days 7 and 8, you'll learn to use matplotlib and seaborn. These libraries will be your artist's palette, allowing you to create stunning visuals that bring data to life. You'll craft bar charts, scatter plots, histograms, and heat maps, each revealing different aspects of your data's story. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and in data science, it can be worth 1,000 insights. The final frontier of our journey brings us to the exciting world of machine learning. Here, we teach computers to learn from data, to make predictions, and to adapt. On days 9 through 11, we'll explore the fundamental algorithms that power this revolution. You'll delve into linear regression using data to predict continuous values. You'll unravel decision trees, creating models that make choices based on data. And you'll master the art of using scikit-learn, a powerful library for building and training machine learning models. But no model is perfect. On days 12 and 13, you'll learn to evaluate your models, identifying their strengths and weaknesses. You'll discover techniques like overfitting, train, test, splits, and cross-validation, ensuring your models are robust and reliable. Finally, on day 14, the culmination of your journey, you'll embark on your first data science project. Choose a problem that excites you, a data set that intrigues you, and put your newfound skills to the test. Build a model, make predictions, visualize your results. This is your opportunity to shine, to demonstrate your understanding, and to contribute to the growing world of data science. Remember, this is just the beginning. The world of data science is vast and ever expanding. Keep learning, keep exploring, and never stop asking questions. The universe of data awaits. If you're interested in becoming a data scientist on a fast track, please subscribe. Lessons will be posted daily beginning January 13th, 2025. Please stay tuned for more videos.